All right, let's get to work on these charts. I'm looking at these for the coming week. The daily time frame on these highs, sometimes that's what I look for. I'm trying to see if I can get them in these zones and then come down lower. So this one broke completely through it, the AUD CHF. I really don't trade that a lot because the CHF I always call it a sneaky pair. But I'll tell you this, if you're a trend trader, you can see that this is probably one of the best pairs that you can trade as a trend trader. It's because it does stay with the trend longer than anything else. So if that's your thing, then by all means, then yeah, that will be a good pair for you to trade. I can't even get this trend line off. There we go. So you can see I have support resistance line right here, and it broke through it clearly and used it as support. So it came through, dropped down, hit in here, came up, support, 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 and went up. Now we're sitting in this zone right here, so it's time to keep an eye on it, see whether it's going to reverse or come back around or what it's going to do. Let me see if there's anything else that's tasty that we should be paying attention to. The JPY pairs, we ate pretty good off of those. I'm looking in these zones, guys, and I'm not seeing anything. Oh, that would have been beautiful right there. Drop right out. Nothing yet. All right, so now let me go to the 4 hour and see if I see anything. Let me go to my O view and see if there's something there. I'd rather do the RG. I still think this has room to go up on the 4 hour time frame, but we'll keep an eye on it. But we had a slant pattern, it broke out, and that was a nice little dip, rickety dip. Again, guys, I'm really not seeing much to start the week off with. So what we normally would have to do then is to go, and let me switch over to this from the 4. Let me go back and see if there's anything I see. Let's see. I'm not seeing anything yet. Yeah, this might be one of those where we just have to wait and see what the market is going to do first, let it set up on the first couple of days, and then come back and see what's going on with the markets. Because most of these, they look like they're already overextended and they just need to reset themselves for the week to start off. And it's going to be like that sometimes, guys, where you just got to sit and wait for the market to reset itself, and then you'll know what's going on. Let's see what this one is talking about. And this is GU. Oops. Let's check GU on RNG. On the daily, nope. Nothing there. Nope, nothing there. Yep, still nothing yet, guys. Oops. Sorry. Going back to O view. Yeah, I don't see much of anything just yet. And this is one of those times we're just going to have to be patient. I will say that we are. Oh, now here's one. I think this is going to go up. This is my famous spongy bob square head. It goes over, curves down, and then boom, shoots up. So I think that one is a possible up move. Let me check this. I got several different setups that I look at, guys, to help me kind of determine what I'm looking at. And I think, yeah, this one is possibly going to be going right on back up. It's going to push up. Let me go to Ocean Wave. Oops. Ocean Wave, where are you? There we go. Ocean Wave will tell me what I need to know. And on the 4 hour, yep, this is still possibly going to go up. It did a pullback, touch down to the main wave, and then bounce right out of there. I think this one's still going to keep going up, you guys. So I wouldn't get caught into trying to trade a reversal on NZD USD. I really would not. Not me. Okay, let's keep going. Nothing here that I see worthwhile. So the only one that I'm seeing that that would give me a little bit of confidence, and I could be wrong, is the NZD USD. That one, it looks like it's given that spongy bob square head or upside down, what they call cup and handle shape. So you have your cup, comes around, and then here's the handle, and it shoots up that way. So that's the only one I see. Other than that, I think we're just going to have to sit and wait, let the market develop. We have been doing very well with the copycat copier for the copy members. I know it shows 9 and 4 for last week, but some of those losses I still marked them, but they were close to break even. But if it's like 5 pips or something like that, I still mark it as a loss just for legitimacy. But in truth, a lot of those were so close to break even till it really shouldn't have counted. But we're still rocking and rolling. So anyway, let me get to this. Let me show you guys what you can do. As you can also see I'm trading with Hola Prime on, and I'm copying my own trades onto my Hola Prime account, which they use Trade Locker, right? So I'm using Traders Connect, and with my Traders Connect account, I'm able to connect my MT4 trade copier to Trade Locker through Traders Connect. So every time I take a trade on here, every time I take a trade on this account here, every trade I take gets copied onto my Trade Locker account with them. And so I started a 50K account with them, and I'm already up, as you can see, 2,200 in profit. So I just need another week or two of good trades, and then this will turn into a funded account for the Forex market. So that's how I'm doing it. I'm using Traders Connect to connect my MT4 to my Trade Locker account for my prop firm. So that's how I'm doing that. Okay. If you want to be copied on our trades, then go to supereasycopycat.com. You can play this little short video to see how it works. This will be my account. I'm taking the trade. You'll see it populate on your account. When I close the trade on mine, you'll see it close on yours. If I close half a position on mine, it'll close. Everything I'm doing on mine is to do on yours. It's very simple. Gold, you see we've been making record wins. I mean, record wins, something we've never done before. We're making record wins on gold. You still got the US 30, you've got oil and silver, we got the Forex copier. So whichever one combination you want, we have combos or a la carte, whichever you want to do. Now, if you want trading tools, which by the way, I'm working on some more trading tools for you guys that are going to be coming out. One of the trading tools that I'm working on is going to be a Simplicity Scanner. See the scanner? I'm trying to automate it so that when the scanner sends out an alert, it'll work through automation as far as taking trades automatically for you, because I know a lot of you guys, you can't trade or you're just emotional when you're taking trades. So having this automated is what I'm working on. Okay, so we're in the process of that. Also, I got another trading view indicator, which so you guys been seeing me do a lot of videos with. That's very phenomenal. It's coming out. So I got that coming for you guys. So if you want just some trading tools, you want to sign up for a membership, that's that one. Then again, one more thing, if you want to be part of our futures market group, there's 2 different ones. If you want to trade live with Miss Jenny, which you see they're killing it every single week, doing the New York session, that's a live trade session with her where you can learn how to trade and ask questions. Join the New York session on Futrix.com, Futtrix.com. However, if you just want Uncle P's trade alerts, which we've been hitting them hard, we've been taking losses, but I tell you this, how we do it is we take a small loss, close it out, and then when the winners come, we kind of like triple our wins, like we did several times this week on gold. Took a small close, so sometimes I say, hey, I'm closing it right here, I don't like the way it looks, come back a little bit later, and boom, we just knocking out the park. So if you already know how to trade the futures market and just want my alerts, then sign up for the Asian session. It also comes with a free indicator, which you can play this video right here to see how the indicator works. And so that's that. All right, you guys, I'll see you on the inside this week. Peace and hair grease.